In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? Then leather products, $18.1 billion, and about 78.9% of this $18.1 billion is used for trunk and cases. But leather apparel is about 9.11%. Saddlery, 4.48%. Other leather articles, 2.34%. Tanned, equine, and bovine hide, 3.35%. And foreskin apparel, about 0.91%. US is spending for different leather material, leather product, both in the raw form and in the processed form. US is spending $18.1 billion to import different kinds of leather products. If you are a leather work producer, you have a good market in the US.